Why Maya exists in this world?
Everything exists, my dear. Why only Maya? Our age, time, everything is rising and existing, my dear. And Prakriti, nature, Prakriti ka niyam hai parivartan, is exist because of parivartan, change. If it will not change, you will get bored. You will deaf and dumb, my dear, and you will be useless. Change creates the activity. We are not doing karma. Activity is creating karma and we are doing so as per requirement. So this require. Whatever nature is made, we should follow, we should not discuss, we should not argue, we should not question. We only follow and enjoy that. When whatever we can see, the change is coming in nature, we can't enjoy. Then how can I enjoy when I change myself? तो जो है उसका आनंद लो, उसका आनंद लेते लेते उसमें एक हो जाओ तो परमानंद हो जाएगा और स्वार्थी से परमार्थी हो जाएगा. Why your parents made house? Why you came in media line? As you said, and Lord Krishna also said, karam pradhan hai. For karam, action require creation. True? So he created for karma. So that is show must go on. If he will not create, how you will be created on this earth? And how you will reach up to this creation and satisfy yourself? Above all, necessity is mother of creation. The practical fact. You may be whatsoever. You have everything with you, but you are alone. You will be not able to survive. You require someone. You require some activity. I think you understood why he created. He is not out of world. I said just now, he is in you only. One small joke. God created human. God and Guru both were sitting in the side of river. Now, God is inquiring from Guru how to come to know whether he is perfect or not. Guru said, yes, I'll tell you. He said, how? He said, after creation you enter in this. As you are creating media or any factory, you are entering in that. So this is your creation, you please enter in this. If you come yourself out, then it's not perfect. If I'll take out, then it's perfect. So he created, and with the blessing of Guru, he entered in this body, that is soul, Atma, Paramatma. Is one of the same thing. Malkha Singh and Balkha Singh, one of the same thing if you are relaxing. Atma and Paramatma is same thing, but only for action, karma. From Atma to reach up to Paramatma, this is the journey of life. Other all things are just for survival, just fuel for the vehicle. But I am so much involved in fuel only, and car is running there only, and depreciation is coming there, and we are in losses. So he create, and then he enter, and then Guru took him out, and then God was inquiring, I came myself or you took? He said, I took. So this is perfect, Bullet, this is perfect. Give the blessing, and I start manufacturing. Then reproduction. In production, finally we want quality and quantity. True? So this is quality and quantity. But now only quantity, no quality. And for quality, I am trying to do something. I also want to do some karma. Ideal will be useless. As your question is that when is started, there are endless problems. But when you collect, it will become fire. Some are in Kam, Krodh, Lo, Moh, Ankar. 5 Q will be there. Then nouns, pronouns, many. Similarly, we are coming in short and sweet way to the point, which you can see, which we can realize, which we can understand. For creating anything requires sun. Say yes or no. And for creation require earth, then require water, then require air. True? Now I am starting and talking in your language, filmy media language. There is shivling. Water is coming on that. Sun rays is coming on that. Is going down with air. Then Ardhanarishwar is coming up. And then Almighty made in 2 parts. First they were looking each other themselves only. First themselves, then each others. Then different feeling, attraction. Then they put a question like you we are, why you were created. He said, my dear, and why this attraction? Then reply come from Almighty nature. Ki you are one, I made you separate. Have this journey, again come back to me, become one. So this is the, in short. But in detail I like to show, as you said, what is your wish. There is no wish, but as a karma I require. So I like to make movie on my research, because I am not doing puja part. I am doing karma. In that karma I felt, how many people will understand me and how many people will see. Naturally, media is nowadays informed this according to its era. So why not to make one movie on that of research, that how this creation came and what is, all questions, answers will that film should give. Therefore, soul is Gupt, and I am very happy in Gupt, and I outside play with the children, enjoy with the children, and be happy and make them happy. Gupt is best. Even in Dan, Gupt Dan, Brat, Gupt Brat. So when Adhyatma, यानी आत्मज्ञान, जब आत्मा गुप्त है तो आपने कैसे शो कर दिया कि मैं गुरु में, स्वामी में, महात्मा में, त्यागी, योगी, वैरागी? नहीं जी, मैं कुछ नहीं हूं, मैं तो जानू की धूल हूं, सेवा करता हूं, आपकी क्या सेवा करूं? Best way. Otherwise distance will come. You will be not able to work. You have to be like them. He created human because he had to enter in this, that Paramatma, Paramatma, भी इसमें enter करना पड़ता है. And he had to survive like this, as I am also surviving in family. Otherwise, I know your question, कि Guruji, you can do, stay with family, then you will understand. Well, my dear, I am also in family. For you, this is fact. For me, this is acting. This whole world, as Shakespeare said, this is stage, perform your art. So I came to know that I should survive like you. Maybe you are foolish, so I have to survive with foolish way. So foolish can understand foolish language. If I talk in higher level, you will say that he is foolish, I am intelligent. Why not to become before only foolish? Before you tell me foolish. So therefore I am surviving, but I am acting. You are realizing this is reality. No, but this is not reality. Reality is far away, which you are not able to see, but I can see and enjoy that also. It's so simple. Before Guru, person is selfish. True? And selfish is blind. Blind is confused. Confused in tension. Tension creates depression. And after Guru, he will become universal, not personal. He will come to know that personal is always problem. Universal is solution. He will think, he will breathe, he will eat, he will talk, he will image. All universal, what universe require. And he will work accordingly, not in personal way. I am thankful to Mataji. She takes my personal good care. But she should not put a step in universal. She is earth. I am looking from a sky. My observation, my thinking, my approach is by nature different. We should exist with each other. As now I am talking because of her power. She is battery, I am bulb. If battery is not there, how bulb will work? So battery should respect bulb, bulb should give respect to battery. Always there are two. We are walking on two legs, two eyes, two ears. So always two. Now, he said, I created two. First it was one, which you don't know. I know. And I am giving the blessing. Please have this journey, enjoy this Maya, Kaya, everything, and again in the end become one. Then your journey is past, but sorry to say, differently they will become powerful, but they can't become one. Therefore, there is no Ardhanarishwar temples. Hardly anyone, if you have seen, you tell me. Separate you will see that Mata temple, Shiv temple, but together you can't see that. When we feel that we are owner, ignorance will come. When you feel that we are not owner, owner is the Almighty. I am caretaker. You will be careful. And if you are careful, my dear, you will be cheerful. Otherwise, Angrezi ka fool, Hindi ka nahi. So never feel whatever achievement you will get, as you agree that we are miniature of Almighty. How many miniatures are in this of Almighty? We are a drop. How you became owner? What is final? That drop will go in sea. And can you search that? No. It will mix up in that. Sea will remain. The drop will not remain. वो आत्मा नहीं मिलेगी. वो परमात्मा स्वरूप परमात्मा में मिल जाएगी. So, always, how Nanak said, Nanak Das Kurbani. Not he said that I am owner. No, we are caretaker. मैं कुर्बान हूं कि उसने मुझे स्वीकार किया और मैं केयर टेकर बना. केयर भी तब बन सकता है जब वो चाहे. ये मत सोचना कि मैं सोचूं मैं केयर टेकर. We talk and we say in general way, the men propose, God dispose. Then why he is proposing? Why not he is putting his energy to follow him? Understanding himself and then understand him, what he is saying, what I should do, and do accordingly. Always he will be happy, creative, action, powerful, peaceful, and graceful in all respect. Otherwise, fool. He will not become careless. He will not become lazy. Those people are here, they can see me. 24 hours. Being a wife, she is taking care. Please take rest. But when you reach up to soul, body require all these things. Otherwise, with soul, 1 second rest is rest, again you are best. Otherwise, whole day you sleep, again you are restless. So my dear, is very simple. Never feel owner, always caretaker. Take care carefully and be cheerful.